How to fix your Samsung TV that keeps freezing. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Samsung TV is freezing. So let's get started. Step number 1, power cycle the TV. First, try a basic power refresh. Unplug your Samsung TV completely from the wall outlet. Leave it disconnected for at least 1 full minute. Then plug it back in and turn it on. For some models, you can also hold the power button on the remote until the Samsung logo appears. This triggers a hard reboot that clears system memory. Step number 2, check your internet stability. A poor or unstable internet connection is a common reason behind freezing or buffering. Head to Settings, then Network status. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak or keeps dropping, restart your router or try using a wired Ethernet cable for a stronger, more stable connection. Step 3. Clean up storage and remove unused apps. Having too many apps installed can bog down your TV's performance. Navigate to Settings, then Support, then Device Care, and then Manage Storage. From there, you can remove apps if you don't use, or clear cache from apps to free up space. This can make your system more responsive and faster. Step 4. Update your TV's software. Sometimes the freezing is due to outdated firmware. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, Update Now. Download and install the latest software version available for your model. New updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Step 5. Reset the Smart Hub. If only certain apps like Netflix or YouTube are glitchy or stuck, try resetting the Smart Hub. Go to Settings, Support, Device Care, Self-Diagnosis, Reset Smart Hub. This will return the hub to its original state and sign you out of all the apps, so be ready to log in again afterward. Step 6. Use a streaming device instead. If you're still having trouble, especially with app freezing, consider using an external streaming device such as Google Chromecast, Roku, Amazon Fire Stick. So many users on online forums like Reddit and Samsung's community report better performance and smoother streaming using these devices instead of the TV's built-in apps. And that's a wrap. Let me know in the comments which method solved it for you. If this guide helped you, don't forget to tap like and hit subscribe for more tech solutions and smart TV tips. I'll see you in the next video.